Hello, welcome back to Power the Cards. This opening, yeah, I'm opening Pokemon Ball because all because of the Phoenix that's coming up and stuff and September and stuff. I'm just trying to get ready for that, and I'm gonna have two other Pokemon people there get let them sign it and stuff. The EV and then the Pokemon, it puts me a guy, but it's really good. The Pokemon good that's giving me there and stuff. Yeah, got three packs. Three two Pokemon stickers and three packs and what is this? Let me put this back together. Again, I'll put that back together right now. Oh, okay. This one is Pokemon Go. Opening. I'm opening two Pokemon Go thingies, and these are the cards from Pokemon Go. So let me, yeah, these are the three packs from Pokemon Go, and then see when I open them, let's see what I get and stuff. So let me open up, grab my scissors and open up them. Yeah, on the Pokemon Go, I love the Pokemon pack things because they're so awesome. Because mostly every time when I see, I keep on out, can they make that like this? Every time when I see them. I don't buy them, but every time when I see them, it looks awesome. I think I bought like actually I think I bought like some packs that Pokemon Go here and there, but still. Okay, the code card. Yeah, on this one, not sure if it's a good card or a bad card or whatever. That's what I like about these kind of thingies. I we I think it's like 4 or 3 years or something. And I am like so tired still. Charmander, Eevee. I mean, like that for someone else, like Eevee. Yeah, just said Charmander. That's one of my favorite Pokemon. Oh, the I did not see this, but this one is the rare one, as well as this one. NG, okay, it's 4. I was right, it's 4. So that too, I can do 4. Yeah, then too, I can do 4. Two, I mean the other 2 that I have, I can do 4. I can do 4. It's awesome that I figured out that I can do 4. And 4 and 3, and the new ones I can do 1 and stuff. And get some energy. Okay. The code card. Oh wait, that's backwards. The code card. One, two, three, 4. And now I'm guessing fighting. And it's dark. I could do 1, but it's more exactly when I do film or something like that. Monster, a spider that I don't like. Yeah, I don't like any kind of spiders. Charizard and Blastoise. One of my 2 favorite Pokemon, but they evolve into another Pokemon as well. Yeah, those 2 are my kind of my favorite Pokemon. But those 2 evolve into Charmeleon and so I don't remember the other one that Bulbasaur when he evolves into. Then he evolves into that one. Here's the code card and okay. Four. So now I'm guessing lightning. I think it's water and it's upside down. Okay. And I think I got 2 of those. Oh, here's my other favorite one that I like. Bulbasaur. I'm in Squirtle, and there's another Pokemon, and then they change to Blastoise. Then Charmander, then Charmaine, then Charizard. Oh, that's super good. A rainbow one. I haven't. I think I got a few rainbow rares, but not as cool as that one, man. That's awesome. I got Pokemon Go rare one. Awesome. Yeah, that's awesome. Got Pokemon Rainbow, and that's awesome. Okay. Okay, if you like this, give a like. And if you haven't, subscribe and hit the bell. And don't forget if I have hit the subscribe button and hit the bell, that nobody I have any more videos coming out. And let's just all together. Peace, love, and we're out.